Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Waterloo, local and long-distance movers near me. For long-distance and local moves in the Waterloo, Ontario area, 3 Movers offers you quality services for the right price. When you work with us, you won't need to worry about anything. The price of a long-distance move comes mainly down to the weight of the items and the size of the household. Your items will be weighed on the truck to determine the total weight, and this will be used for the cost estimate. You should confirm whether this estimate is binding or if the price can change. If they underestimated the values, 3 Movers will perform an on-site inspection for you to give you a more accurate estimate for what your price will be. We will also help you with the planning and even throw in tips. For instance, you should make sure any price quote you get are given in writing, and this will help you keep track of all the important details of the moving cost. In local moves, distance is less of a factor. The price of your move will come down to labor costs related to the time to load and unload your articles. Additional charges such as equipment, rental, driving, and gas fees can also affect the price. You should know what's included to ensure you are making an informed decision. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Waterloo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.